Today is August 15th.
2010.
Remy's baby blessing. This is the headband that Miran sewed, crocheted for her. This is the outfit that we were given by, we don't know who we were given it to. It's a cute little onesie and a little dress. It has little booties on it that she loves to take off. And Remy was blessed by her father. That's me, I think. Remy, say hi. Good morning.
Say good morning to all my family
Good
and
morning.
Ohanas.
There's some smiles, kinda. Remy Star.
And now you are officially a blessed child.
You're blessed. Hate to break it to you. You have to be a good girl now. Remy, good morning. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Hi, good morning.
Say, I'm a good girl.
Enough.
Okay, say I love you to the family.
Say bye-bye. Say aloha. Squiggle, squiggle. Aloha.
Okay, bye.